mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner, everybody knows it's Christmas time. And we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, cookie dough, and that old Scrooge. Firewood, fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, and Santa's little helpers too. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line. Pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Look, here comes a holiday for family and friends. Christmas coming just around the Christmas coming just around, Christmas coming just around the bend.
Jingle them bells and frolic, oh by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year, I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears, a toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded. Count the hours and minutes till the last week of December. For me the Christmas spirits flow as early as September. It's the best of seasons, come and raise your glass and sing. No need for other reasons. Glory to the newborn King. I drink to Santa and his helpers too. Here's to mistletoes and here's to you. Jingle them bells and frolic, come, let's sing and dance and cheer. It's the best time of the year, the best day of the year. Yes, it is the best day of the year. Hear, hear.
Mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one. is where I hold my breath, but he won't know what hit him. See me standing there, the world will disappear and he will vanish. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Oh, let this mistletoe moment give us everything we want, everything we want, everything we want, everything we want. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas I keep so near. Every light, every song, every friend that comes along. A very Merry Christmas to you. Sing along to the song, make a wish, grab a kiss, put another record on, wake the neighbors, having fun down the street. Christmas trees, decorations, wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the lights, light. A very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry to you.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bite, and then we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.